Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a website in Canva. Go to the Canva homepage and click on website. A new project will be opened for you and website templates will automatically show up on the left of the screen. You can choose the style of the website you want to create. If you have a brand kit added to your Canva, you can also choose the colors in there, or you can choose from these color palettes. If you want, you can use the search bar to look up specific templates as well. You can preview them, and once you find one that you like, click on Apply all 6 sections. Now you can edit anything you want in your website, not just the wording and the font, but the pictures as well. The pictures are added as frames, so if you want to change them, you don't have to worry about them not matching the style. Once you're ready, you can preview the website if you click on the top right of the screen. You can also check what it will look like on a phone. Once you're happy with the result, you can click on Publish Website. You're going to have to choose your own custom domain, so make sure you choose carefully, and then finish the rest of the URL. Keep in mind that the custom domains and the unlimited Canva websites are for Canva Pro members only, so if you do not have Canva Pro already, you can go to the description to find a 30-day free trial. You can check if you want this website to be seen in any search engine. You can also turn on if you want it to be password protected. And once you're ready, click on Publish. Alright, this is how to make a website in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out all premium Canva Pro features, you can claim your 30-day Canva Pro free trial by clicking the link in the description below. We also have a free Canva crash course ebook and a Canva monetization checklist that you can download for free as well. Last but not least, check out our YouTube channels for hundreds of other Canva video tutorials.